A rotary fabric cutter is pretty much essential in any fabric crafter's kit, allowing you to easily cut patterns and shapes from fabric. If you are left-handed, make sure you purchase a rotary cutter that is designed for left-handed use, otherwise the blade will obscure the line of your cut, meaning you won't easily be able to see if you need to correct your course. Here at Women's Corner Zone, we are a bunch of products researcher. We test, analyze and research new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on their price, quality, features, sales volume, and most important part is user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the right decision. And now let's dive into video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the Gingher 45mm right-handed rotary cutter. While this cutter is clearly not suitable for those who are left-handed, Gingher does offer a left-handed version of the same product. This is ideal for cutting multiple layers of fabric, paper, felt, and even vinyl. Unique design provides optimal blade visibility for both right and left-handed users. This is a sturdy, sharp rotary cutter that can handle all types and thicknesses of fabric with ease. Its price does reflect its quality, but the brand has a solid reputation in the craft and sewing community, so you are definitely making a good investment purchase that will more than pay for itself over time. At number 4 is the Portman rotary cutter set. If you're going to invest in a rotary cutter, would you actually rather invest in an entire set that will help you make fabric cutting for patterning a little easier all around? Then we think you might get along a little better with something like this offer from Portman. For hardly any more than the options you saw above, this order gets you more of a complete fabric cutting kit than just a singular rotary cutter. This includes 5 replacement blades for when yours starts to dull from all those layers of different fabrics, but it also includes a durable and decently sized cutting mat that will stop you from marking up your floors and tabletops. That's our favorite part of this kit. It's a great option whether you're sewing or even quilting. Top 3 at our list is the Bonrob 45mm rotary cutter. If you've never seen the kind of rotary cutter that has replaceable or varied blades for different kinds of cutes, then we think you just might learn something new from this lovely option offered by Bonrob. Of course, not everyone feels the need for cuts with different edges, textures, or finishes, but if you do, then this model is a fantastic option. For hardly any more money than the more basic option above, you get an equally high quality handle and not just one sharp-edged blade with the ability to cut through at least 6 layers, but 7 of them, some with different textures and edging options to them, depending on what you're making. Moving up at number 2 is the Fiskars 45mm contour rotary cutter. While this is marketed as an ambidextrous rotary cutter, it is not comfortable to use if you are left-handed. It is also not particularly ergonomic for men or those with very large hands. A curved shape with loop handle provides a natural fit for your hand to improve comfort and control. However, if you are working with thin fabric, it can cut up to 16 layers of fabric at once, and offers the flexibility to truly come into its own on small projects, giving a clean cut even in tight patterns. It also features a plastic safety shield, for added peace of mind. And at number 1 is the Olfa 45mm Deluxe handle rotary cutter. Are you quite new to the sewing game in the grand scheme of things, so you're determined to invest in a rotary cutter but you're also looking for something simple, basic, and affordable? Then you might just feel decided with our very first option, offered by Olfa. This design is ergonomic, making it easy to hold while you cut. Its black is sharp enough that it can cut through 6 layers of fabric without exorbitant effort, and it has a convenient locking button that keeps the blade angled down while you're using it, but then releases the handle to tuck the black safely away when you're not, to reduce the likelihood of anyone cutting themselves. The model is also very reasonably priced. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.